In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom fields in QuickBooks. If you've already created your custom fields, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to put them to work on your everyday forms so you can track the details that matter most to your business. Let's start by opening a form, such as an invoice. You can use any form you prefer, but an invoice is a great example because it's common and easy to test with. Create a new invoice and then add a customer who already has custom fields set up on their profile. If you're not sure how to create or assign custom fields in the first place, check out my other video where I cover that setup in detail. For now, just make sure you pick a customer you've already linked to those fields. Once the invoice is on screen and the customer is selected, look closely at the fields that appear near the top or within the form details. You'll notice options you don't usually see by default. This is where your custom fields show up. Common examples include a PO number or vendor details, but yours might have different names based on how you set them. The important part is that they're now visible and ready for you to use. Go ahead and click into each custom field and enter the information you want to track for this transaction. For example, if your customer provided a purchase order, type the exact PO number so it matches their records. If you use a vendor details field to capture who supplied the goods or any reference notes, add that information clearly and consistently. Accuracy here really pays off later when you review transactions, resolve questions, or match documents. A few quick tips as you enter data. Keep your formatting consistent. Use the same style for numbers and abbreviations every time. If a field doesn't apply to this specific invoice, it's fine to leave it blank rather than guessing. And if you copy information from an email or document, double check for extra spaces or typos so your searches and filters stay clean and reliable. That's it. The form now carries your custom details alongside the standard invoice information. The next time you create a form for this customer, those custom fields will appear again, ready to capture the same types of data. Over time, keeping these fields filled in helps you manage QuickBooks more effectively by making key references easy to find and tying important context directly to each transaction. If you need help creating the fields themselves or deciding which ones to use, be sure to watch my setup video. Otherwise, start adding those details on your next invoice and enjoy a cleaner, more organized workflow in QuickBooks.